Welcome to your first day on the job. This is your very own autopilot ship, where you will eat and sleep for the duration of your contract. Make yourself at home. To complete the onboarding process, you will want to check the instruction manual and sign into your ship's computer terminal. We trust you will be a great asset to the company. Great asset to the company.
Great asset to the company. Great asset to the company.
Bro. What?
What?
I didn't heard you. What? I didn't hear you earlier. What you say? Bro, I didn't heard. I promise.
Straight
What
up
did you say?
lie.
Bro, I ain't lying. What the fuck you talking to? Fuck you talking about? Bro, we can sell this. Oh. Yo,
Son, what? What?
we can sell this. We can sell this.
Nah, you're lying. You're lying. You're a liar, man.
Oh.
Let's go, my niggers. Wag na tayo mag-ano? Walkie-talkie?
Bye.
No! Niggers. Meron sa likod mo. Meron talaga sa likod mo.
Here.
You look.
Right. Okay.
There's a mine here. Careful.
Shut up.
Careful, nigger.
You say?
Yo.
Say?
Yo, what's up, Nico James? I can hear you. Nico James? Nico James? Okay, guys. I can't see anything.
Oh, shit!
Man. Nah.
Did you get the screw driver?
Screw
The
meron?
screw?
Sa labas?
Ah.
You're lying.
Oh my god. Not looking.
Nah. Oh my gosh,
You didn't
what?
get it. Just
Okay. Okay,
ano
ikaw
kuha?
na. Wala ka
Wala na
nakuha.
kuha?
Grabe.
Damn.
Try ko sa kabilang entrance.
Ay.
Saan na yan? Nawala. Ayun. Stay ka na sa ship.
Labis na ako ha,
Gusto.
baka mamatay ka.
Okay.
Ah, okay. Right.
Climb this nigger. Yeah, start the ship, nigger.
Yeah, don't come in. Ah!
Nah.
Why you scared, bro? Why you look back?
Di ako makaakyat doon sa ano.
Yeah, why you look back? You
Look
should not
back.
look back, bro. Yeah, you should not
Nakita ko
look.
pa mo yung monster. Buti nga hindi ako na eh.
Okay.
Naglakad lang ako. Eh.
Nakita ko bigla nag-spawn. Sa
Hindi ko
likod mo.
nag-spawn? Sa likod na.
Yeah.
Impossible. That's cheating.
Hindi siya gumagalaw. Parang bigla nag-spawn lang. Ganun lang. Tapos di ba siya gumagalaw? Ah. Finally, I'm not the laziest. No. Dang. I don't know those.
Yeah, pipili tayo ng ano. Ito ulit sa desert, mahirap ata to. Mahirap ata to sa ship. Nah, stop doing that. Gonna kill me.
I'm trying to do.
Let's go!
Like this though.
Nah. Eclipse ta. Nasa Eclipse daw tayo.
Exercise potion?
What?
Exercise daw
Damn.
potion.
Tira mo sa taas. Look at that Eclipse.
So I'm saying that.
What a black hole.
Out in the outside, but it needs.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah. Yo, what's up,
Scared the
nigger?
fuck out of me. I heard something. Oh. Someone's walking like a flying spider. There? You're dead! It said you're dead.
Man, I'm invincible.
You know the way?
I do not know the way.
This could sad. You're running. Try to leave me.
Oh my god. What is this? I'm dead. Oh my gosh. God. Oh my god, why so good? Gra-
Oh my god.
Grabe
Oh my,
ka.
where are you at?
Tumalon ka.
Oh my
Tumalon ka
god.
sa ano. Pag umatay ka mo sa akin, hindi ko alam kung ano.
Oh, ewan ko, hindi ko nga dinigdig.
Oh my
I heard
gosh.
something snap. So I
Oh
was
my
like, oh
gosh.
shit, oh shit, oh shit. Buti nga tama yung ginawa. Tama yung ginawa kong mga turns. Ano ko, buti tama yung dinaanan ko. That scared the fuck out of me. That scared the
Gusto mo
fuck out of
pumili
me,
ng map?
bro.
Ay, hindi, wag na. Yung madali na.
Don't know, man. Ganoon tayo eh. 62 total. Damn, na-scared the fuck out of me.
Balik tayo sa madali. Okay. Papaya muna tayo. Damn, so many stuff, man.
Yeah.
I'm so...
I know, right? That's me.
Wow. Gusto mo flashlight? Or ayaw mo?
It's a bird. It's a bird. Huh?
Gusto mo flashlight?
Yan!
What? Pumpkin?
Oh my god,
no
there's
idea.
a monster.
Huh? What?
Monster!
Bak? Saan? Di nga.
Kala ko.
Damn, you're lying.
It's a pumpkin. I'm sorry. Because when you jump, I heard like a dog. You walk niya. You jump.
Sige.
Oh, and you landed. I think. Yung ganyan. Pero punta kayo tayo sa fire exit.
Kaya nga, pwede ata yun, no? Tara. Park.
So, yeah. I think I saw Ayun? The Sky Kuno, yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I watched this live one time. Sagit lang, tapos ang dami nila loot, tapos pwede pala madaming tao.
Pwede,
Four?
hanggang 4 ata? Or ewan ko lang. Hindi, pwede marami.
More than 4 din sila eh. More than 4. Tapos
Yung
may mga
kasi-
feed na. Mga feed
I
silang
think-
fire exit.
I think this is a bad idea, Miniger. Hey, let me press this one.
Fuck, girl, why you close that?
Ilaw ba yun?
Yeah. Oh,
Wait, ilaw? Yung sa pinakababa?
yeah. Ay.
O nga, no? Dang it. Nothing.
Ito.
Nothing. Give us some money. Big box.
Nice, big ball.
Kala ko monster.
Meron na akong
Pala.
dalawa.
Okay.
Oh. A ring!
Ha?
Ring!
Ring? Dang.
Ay, bye-bye. I got 3.
Full ka na? Ay, ito lang yung door, oh. Dito lang yung door.
What?
Dito lang yung door.
Sorry.
Dito lang yung door. Gusto mo na bumalik? Yo?
Where?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Uy, tara. Dito.
Hindi ko alam kung sino yun.
Go right.
How you know?
Nakita ko na. Ito.
What the heck?
Pointing.
Damn, you're dead. Damn.
Nagulat. Same.
Ash?
Same. It was the same monster. It was the same monster, man. Oh my god. Bigla akong ginonster. Nagulat ako.
Oh.
Report to the company building immediately.
Oh,
Sell
then-
your scrap metal and other goods.
Ano namatay?
You have 7 days left to meet with the employees.
Jump scare
You can
talaga
use the
so
terminal to route the autopilot to the company building.
Sana enough to. Dapat
Ba to?
bumalik na ako. Late ko sana.
Ilan ba yun sa'yo?
Dalawa
many you
lang
have?
naman, dustpan tsaka yung screw.
Bro.
Ano ko? Kahit nag-landing.
That big ass
Okay,
thing.
oh my god. Gordon Ramsay.
Mo.
Please be enough, please. No, let me in.
What?
Let me in, please. Ang grabe yung ring, ang mga 76, grabe ganda. Ang laki guys. Pasok tayo, oh my gosh, so good Nico James.
Damn!
Oh my
Go!
gosh.
130 ba yun?
Oh, 130 kailangan natin. Oh my.
Let's go!
Why
I thought
so
we're gonna
good?
die. Because of the ring, bro. I don't know. Close the door. Oo eh. Nagulat na. Chat ko sana may may monster doon, yung isang dulo. Pero maya-maya gumagalaw ka na, tapos may nakita monster sa harapan mo.
Parang ikaw unang bumalik na tapos pwede mo i-monitor mo na lang ako. Dapat may walkie-talkie tayo. Tara, bili tayo.
Ano? So sad, bro. May dalawang monster. Di pa naman gabi. Sabi, di man tayo masyadong natagal to.
Yeah.
Buti nga pumunta tayo sa sa fire exit. Doon ko nakuha yung yung ring. The ring. Shaga ring. Ano na. May mga fake na may mga fake na exit pala.
Fake exit meron. Ay,
Oh.
wag pala to.
Nakita
Wag pala to. Ayoko na dito.
ko ayun. Yeah, same. I don't
Very
know. Whatever you want, I guess.
Dito na lang kuya. Okay. Let's land. Oh. 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 Ito yung map na ayaw yung kanina.
Which?
Pwede na. Di pala. Wait lang. Yung walkie-talkie pala. Wait lang.
Shit.
Nag-order na ako eh. Di ko alam kung parating ba siya.
So,
Let's just wait.
yung weather hindi kaya. Dito ko, Dash!
Ah. Tara.
Naglog ako. Basta kung sino unang umuwi, siya na mag-monitor ng
Okay.
na mag-monitor ng
Hoy, wag mo na i-hold yan. Baka kidsatan ka. I don't know.
Okay.
Meron isang entrance doon. Hindi ko alam kung paano pumasok.
Masaya mo sa bundok. Here. You scared me.
Oh, merong remote. Let's go, man. Yo.
Bye.
Yo, what's up, my nigga? Nico James, hello, hello, hello. Tanggalin ko na ba to, yung radioactive shit? Nico James? Are you dead? Yeah, I think you're dead. I think you're dead. Hello, hello? Nico James? Hello? Hello, hello, hello? Okay,
So, man.
nakabalik ka na. Pwede mo ako guide? Pwede mo ako guide?
Yung exit? Yung exit?
No, I mean, kung may mga red parating. Kasi kukuhain ko na yung ilaw eh. Yung parang may glowing type. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
I think you need to... Oh, shit. I think you need to, ilabas na. No-hold mo lang yata. Did you die? Nice, nice, let's go. Oh, I see you in the behind.
Di ako makasalita. Tara, tara, tara. Uy, tara na, tara na. Oh my gosh, look at my head, man.
Wait,
Look
what?
at my head. Sumabot ka sa akin.
Line.
Ayun. Very nice, very
Hey, don't touch
nice.
my ball. Don't touch my ball.
What?
Let's play soccer. Let's go. Play soccer.
Ah, may soccer? Damn. Damn.
Nakuha ko dalawa eh. Nakuha ko dalawa, tapos full na ako. So,
Sheesh. Damn. Look at me, I'm Messi, I'm Messi.
oh bro, I'm Ronaldo, bitch.
Nah.
Oh shit, that's
Nah.
It's coming. Oh, our first adventure is very profitable. Bro, flasher, bro. I like that.
It's a pro, it's a pro.
I like that. I like the way that.
Wait lang. Gusto mo mag-sell muna tayo? Mas maganda daw kasi patagalin eh.
What? Sell?
Mas maganda kasi pag patagalin, mas magmamahal yung value ng... Sige, mag-ano muna tayo.
Sige.
Okay na?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ito mamaya ako mag-tablet. Ano mo?
Ano? Tab ka na. Okay.
Sino gusto?
I decided to donate to I Show Speed. Didn't want to let that be known right now. But anyway, yeah, yo, what's up? They really just scammed me, bro. Let me try one more time. Okay. Anything on stream to send.
There's a dinosaur. What's this?
Ito yung ano, right lang tayo.
A bridge?
Mag-right lang.
A bridge?
Yung bridge.
There. Feeling ko huwag tayo tumakbo sa bridge.
Okay. Huwag tayo tatakbo. Ganun lang.
I think so. Not sure though, not sure.
Gusto mo, wag nata tayo muna. Ako muna.
See. Bye-bye. And maybe crouch ka? I'm scared, bro.
Hindi nga nagsishake. Di nagsishake. Ay, bumili pala ako.
Did you buy
Bumili
something?
pala ako. Nakalimutan ko yung pro flashlight. Get it, man. That's so good. I'ma wait for you.
Come back.
Fine.
Coming
I
back.
see you.
I'm scared.
Oh.
Ano yan? Thanks, man.
Yeah. Oh, good thing you did that.
Malakas ng flashlight, bro.
Oh, I got something.
Nakakakita na ako.
Wait, my screen is black.
Meron ako nakita yung light, yung radioactive.
Sorry. I'm coming back.
Wait, kinuha mo yung ano? Yung radioactive. Mayaman na ata tayo, Nico James. Pwede na ata. Okay, never mind, you're dead. Oh my gosh. Can't even spectate you, man. Yeah, you're dead. Pwede na to. It's so rich. Okay. Damn, it disconnects, huh?